my gosh.
I have the before.
You are miracle workers. See it, Mom? Oh my God. Oh, God.
Check the
That's the
inside.
same dress.
Check the inside. Come on, Stu. Yeah, it's open the light now.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh.
Check the inside from the top.
It's like- oh my God. You guys are miracle workers. Oh my God. Do you think it would fit me? Oh my God. Mom, you were so little. This is 71 years old. The dress.
Yep.
Oh my God.
1950, right?
Yeah, 53. 1953. My mom got married in Los Angeles in this dress. Oh my goodness.
And I do have picture how we brought it. So
What? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just, oh my God. Look at this. You guys are miracle workers. You are miracle workers. Oh, God, it's gorgeous. You want to see the picture of Mom wearing it?
yes.